Empty Grave Haunted House. Takes us through the remnants of an old actual slaughterhouse. No, really, this actually used to serve as an old Butterball turkey factory, and now it looks like we are the next ones on the chopping block. Do we have what it takes to survive the empty grave? Well, we're gonna take you inside to see what it's all about. So the Empty Grave is up here in Longmont, Colorado. We're traveling to the Denver area to cover some haunted houses over here for the Friday the 13th weekend. Taking you guys along with us, so definitely check out our other videos if you haven't seen those yet. If they're not live yet, they will be very soon. Outside here in the midway here, they've always popping up new things to do. They've got axe throwing over here. They've got several vendors. And right here on the same block, they've got a brewery and some food trucks and all sorts of things going on. So it's actually a really nice little destination here in the city. All right, without further ado, let's get in here and see if we can get some scares. And of course, while we're in Denver, we got to meet up with our Denver team, Andrew and Nikki with Team Hauntarama. They're going to be our chauffeurs for the evening. So excited to go through a haunt with them for the very first time in person.
Okay,
so if you're superstitious at all, we have me or scare wrapped in plastic. Feel free to break them. They work easier on the concrete. Keep them in the plastic so we don't blast
Oh my.
Oh my God.
Here's bad luck.
Holy
Step
cow.
on a crack anywhere you'd like.
Right, right.
Salt. Go ahead and spill the salt. Don't throw it over your shoulder, otherwise it kind of cancels it out.
Right.
After that, I'm going to have the four of you head over to my red pen here. I'll meet you there, and then I'll explain the ladder and everything else.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Is anybody going to do one of these?
I'm kind of feeling destructive.
You're feeling destructive?
You should break the mirror.
I should break the mirror.
I don't know what you're talking about.
She said put it on the concrete?
On the concrete. She said it works better on the concrete. I was gonna.
Ready?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we got it good.
There goes, there goes the next 7 years.
Oh God!
Yep.
Oh God!
It was all for nothing.
The building used to be the Butterball turkey plant in the 1950s.
Oh,
Super
wow.
creepy even during the day.
Ooh.
We do a whole play on that, like you're coming to work the graveyard shift at the meat processing center.
Nice.
Wow.
Turkey, don't be a chicken.
Okay.
Right.
Your photo will get automatically uploaded to the emptygrave.com under guest gallery. It's already there now. You can download it for free.
All right.
And then you'll wait to hear the alarm and the light above the door when it's red, which is the pen you're in. That's when you guys can choose to either go under the ladder or bypass the ladder and just head up there. HR will meet you there.
HR.
Lastly, there are some rules behind you. Basically, the most important thing is our code word, if you need to get out and chicken out, is poultry. So scream poultry, they'll get you out safely, right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So you think if we go under the ladder, it'll cancel out the bad luck from the breaking the mirror?
Maybe.
I think we should try it.
I'm pretty sure it said another 7 years bad luck
Oh, good.
if we walk under the ladder. It might cancel it out. I mean, we can try it.
Consecutive sentences.
I don't know if I'm superstitious.
What do you guys think? Let's take bets now because we're going to show you. But do you think we're going to walk under the ladder or not? Comment now.
All right, are we doing the
it's
ladder?
flashing red.
Yes, we're doing the ladder.
It's flashing red.
Uh-oh, you guys, is it another 7 years? We hope it's not, but we're going.
We're doing it.
Oh, it's time for us to get processed.
We gotta
We all did it as a group, so they did it too.
Yep. Gotta go talk to HR
HR?
about this working the graveyard shift. Uh-oh.
Well, hello there, my little dumpling.
Hello.
Welcome in.
She called us dumplings.
Please close that door behind you, dear.
Oh, my lord.
Yeah.
Don't worry about Walter, my dears. You'll find that he's a fur boss, but he's a fair boss.
Okay.
My name is Karen, and I'm with Human Resources here at Longmont Foods, and it is my absolute privilege to welcome you all for your first ever night shift.
Yeah.
We look forward to employing you. Now in a moment we'll put you to work, but first, orientation. We'll have you move to this next room where I'll have you stand directly in the middle, listen to our company message, and do not move forward until that light turns green. Are we understood?
Understood.
Go on
Good
green.
girl. Right this way, dears, right this way, right into the middle of this next room.
Into the middle until the light turns green. Oh, that is
Listen
not
to
my
the
locker.
message.
Welcome to Longmont Foods, where we've been grinding away at prices since 1871. You must follow all directions given to you by our Longmont food staff members, not to mention the meat you.
Oh, we got wet.
Spritz.
I think they just killed one.
Wow.
We hope you enjoy your visit and look forward to seeing you here for years to come, for years to come, for years.
Yeah. All right, we're green. Uh-oh.
Oh, Longmont foods.
There's all them turkeys.
All the leftovers there.
Yeah.
Oh my!
Oh, I think he just called. Yeah. I think he called. Ramp?
Up the ramp.
Hey, I'm not a chicken. What is this? What is this?
I don't know. We're in some kind of.
It looks like it.
In the middle of the floor.
Okay.
Processing.
Oh, geez, there's feathers
You
everywhere.
don't want to be next.
Uh-oh.
Should we hold
Oh
on?
God.
Should we hold on?
Probably. There's rails.
Get off my floor, chicken.
Chickens! Okay. Thank you for killing us.
Oh, what do we got here?
We're not going that way. Ooh, there's something over there. What is that?
Creepy people over
What
there.
is that? Oh.
Zappy, zappy.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it got cold.
I don't know, but it's definitely
that
the
a
processing
coffin
area with all that. Oh, look at there. See?
Oh,
There's
what is
meat.
it? Oh.
Oh, geez, it's already moving, guys.
Why is that one moving?
I know, it's moving fast. Okay, we're just gonna squeeze past you. Okay. Oh, there was a guy back there. Oh, jeez. Whoa. I can't see her.
Oh, that's some smells.
Do that.
Oh, careful. You gotta be careful with that.
You're not gonna use that knife, right?
Oh God.
You've got somebody's blood on your face.
I don't know if I like the graveyard shift. Can we pick a different shift?
That one looks. Whoa! What was that? I can't. No. Oh God.
My.
What happened there? Oh.
You're next,
whoa.
she says.
They're really good at.
God.
You guys are sneaky.
Look at this guy.
So sneaky.
Oh, these aren't normal
Ooh.
factory workers, I don't think.
That is not gonna be us later.
Nope.
No way. Ew. Oh. That's a classic right
On
there.
it.
I love it. Away from.
Going this way. Oh God.
Yeah.
Oh, he's following us.
Oh.
Why are you in my kitchen?
Well, we're working
We're
here.
trying
We're
to get out of the kitchen. Oh, that's a. He's dead.
He didn't make it.
Very dead. Oh, what's that? Oh.
Uh-oh.
There's.
What is that?
Oh,
Uh-oh. Nope, no turkey legs.
turkey. That is
Oh, they don't look like any kind of turkey I've ever seen.
Uh-oh. Somebody's singing. Uh-oh. Oh, look at this red.
No.
Cheryl?
We'll skip 1 and 2.
Is that what that is?
Uh-oh.
Do we go in there?
No, it's turkey.
Buckle your turkey? Look at the red. I love it. It's blood. Where did he go?
Oh, criminy.
What was
Oh,
that?
somebody sneaked
What was
behind
that?
you.
Send me turkeys or
They did.
I think,
Turkeys?
I don't know yet.
Ooh. I know he went somewhere.
Oh, don't
crap.
sound good at all.
I've been in this boiler for far too long.
Oh, we're in the
Oh.
boiler. Ooh.
Oh, yep.
That was
Gonna be fried
loud.
turkeys.
Are you full?
Oh.
Have you had enough?
No, I don't think so.
I don't want to answer that question.
Uh-oh.
Jeez, that's a
The
bushman.
bushman.
Oh, he is good.
Ooh.
I didn't know he was.
Oh God.
Jeez.
What was that?
Ooh, look
Beware
at
the
that
bushman.
light. Look at that.
Oh, what? That is trippy.
Ooh, I like that. It's like blinding you. Bushman! He got me good. It was a bushman. That was a boiler. That was really cool.
Yeah.
I like the boiler part.
Walking through the red blood song. Yeah. Okay, that was it for the empty grave. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. We like these little short, punchy haunts. They're great. If this is your first time watching, we are the Scare Factor. We're haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunt enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. If you want to see the full review with ratings, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. We're going to head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.